Hi, my name is Eva, and I have a special guest, me and my dad.
Hi, everyone.
My mom is at home, and I'm taking a walk with my dad.
In the rain.
In the rain.
Let's go.
Ew, look at that water, Daddy.
Ew. I think it lives in there. Show everyone. You can show them
I
so
did.
they can see.
I did.
This way. The bushes are in the way.
Right there.
Gross.
That's
What do you think lives in there?
What do you think lives there?
Comment below.
Yeah, comment below. Let's go.
See what other stuff we can find today.
There's even more yucky water. Ew. That's in the rain. It was raining more today. And last night. It was raining all day last night. Let's go.
Eva, you said it smelled like cranberries earlier. Does it still smell like that?
No. We're almost at the bridge right now. I'm still recording that up. Ooh, yay, we found the bridge. Earlier my dad threw the big rock. Seriously. Dad?
What?
Hello.
I threw a big rock.
Yeah, he actually did. Try to do it, Dada, again. Ew. I didn't do it?
Yep. Well, just throw a regular rock. You don't have to throw a big one.
No.
Look at the bridge. Whoa. Good throw. Well, that one almost hit us. Awesome. All right, let's go.
Let's go. Let's see my dad do one now.
We gotta get a big one over here.
Yeah. There was big ones over there, Dada. Ooh, look at that plant. There's not. What?
Can you show everyone so they can see?
Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Where'd Dad throw it?
Here's a big one.
Ooh. That was big, right? And earlier I threw a big rock. Not a big rock, but a little rock, but there was a little hole, and I threw it in there, and it landed in there. That was so cool. But my dad, he almost got in there, but it was in the front. It was so cool.
Show everyone how wet it is outside.
See?
You're going
It's
too
all
fast.
wet.
You're going much too fast.
What?
Too fast. Nice and wet today.
Look at this big rock, Dada.
Here. Right, come on.
I see a big hole right there, Dada. There's big rocks and stuff. And the other day, we seen zoo animals. Yesterday?
Yeah, yesterday we went to the Phoenix Zoo.
Yesterday we went to the Phoenix Zoo. I'm sorry. And it's so wet out here. I don't know why. But you better stay in your homes right now.
You get all wet.
Yeah. If you have babies, keep them in the house. Seriously. Don't bring them. Trust your family and listen. Because earlier, I didn't trust them. But now, I didn't bring my baby. No babies. Whew. Oh, my feet are hurting.
Okay, we're crossing the street. What do we do?
Look both ways.
You stop and you look both ways.
We stop and look both ways. See?
And why do we do that?
Because it's extra special and important, so you don't get ran over.
Right. Okay, let's go.
And you need to hold your parents' hands like they tell you to. Right, Daddy?
Yes.
And there's a car coming, so what do? Stop. Okay?
He's turning.
Well, he's turning. And, if there is a car coming, kids, just run. Okay? Or hold your parents' hands like they tell you to.
Is that it for today? For the adventures of Eva and Dad?
Not yet. Not yet.
It's already a long video.
I know. Only when we get home, then I'll stop and get up.
No, right now, it's too long.
Okay. We better stop the video. Bye.
Please subscribe.
Say bye.
Bye, everyone. Make sure to click and subscribe.
For this video. Click down below to see more videos. Bye.